The overall goal of this procedure is to measure the trajectories of individual particles transported by a flow as bed load over a large area of observation to avoid experimental bias related to the maximum length of measurable tracks.
This method can help answer key questions in bed load transport mechanics, as it provides detailed information about the particle's motion and rest events.
The main advantage of this technique is that the transported particles can be tracked for long distances, enabling long jumps to be observed.
We first had the idea of this method while analyzing data from previous experiments, when we realized that particles can be transported over longer distances with respect to the observation windows.
First, prepare a set of steel plates covered in a layer of the sediment particles of interest. Coat the sediment surface in a water-resistant black paint. Next, place PVC supports on the bottom of the flume and lay the plates on the supports. Adjust the plate placement as needed to ensure that the sediment bed is continuous. Then, cover the channel with transparent acrylic lids. Set the flume to the desired slope. Then, turn on the flume pump and fill the channel with water. Set the flow rate using the regulation valve. Set the elevation of the pressure head to slightly above the channel lids using the tailwater regulator. Ensure that the flow is covered without exerting significant force on the lids.